Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use a mobile hotspot on your Android phone. Now, first we need to get to your settings. So swipe up on your Android and tap on the settings icon. From here, we can access your mobile hotspot by tapping on connections at the top. And now first we're going to go to data usage. You need to make sure that data saver is not turned on. This will prevent your phone from being able to use or initiate the mobile hotspot. So tap on data saver and turn this off. After you've done that, let's hit back 1 and back 2. And now from here, you'll be able to see as I scroll down, mobile hotspot and tethering. Just tap on that. Now, if I just toggle this on, it will initiate the mobile hotspot, but I can also tap on mobile hotspot here because if I scroll down, I can set the network name and the password and a few other of the settings. Now on the network name, Trevor is just fine, but let's say instead of that as the password, I can just enter in whatever I want. Let's say Trevor again as the password or Trevor Nace in this case. After you've done that, let's tap on band here and you can choose either compatibility or performance. You'll be able to see 2.4 gigahertz. And if I go all the way over, it'll go to 6 gigahertz. So just see which one works best for the device that you're connecting to that mobile hotspot. In most cases, you want to switch it and keep it at compatibility. After you've done that, you can also scroll down and have a one-time password, etc. And at the top, once you start connecting and using it, you'll be able to see how much mobile data hotspot data that you have used in that day to make sure you're not running out of your allotment. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.